Okay. Now create our definition file for Nginx. Storage classes. One is static provisioning, dynamic provisioning. Static provisioning is nothing but previously we have configured same, but we need to attach additionally volume ID to the specific PVC. And next, first working with the static provisioning by using storage classes. See here, API version V1 per- persistent volume. See here, EBS static clinic PV. So specification section storage I'm asking, not asking here volume ID. For that you need to create 25 GB EBS volume from EC2 console. The access modes read write once this is common storage class is a no need to provide any manual. We are not creating inside the cluster. So that's why static leave empty. See here AWS Elastic Block Store. So this can store volume ID. That volume ID attached to the this file system. FS type is a file system. EX you can find Linux file system types. So ext4 is the one of the file system. I'm using this one. So arrange properly. Capacity, storage, access modes, read write once, storage classes, volume ID. Create this volume first. You can see my console, right? Easy to console. Hello?
Yes, yes.
Click on volumes, create. See here, take ZP2.
Means what?
This is a SSD type, general purpose, called GP2. GP3, GP3 is a less performance than GP2. GP2 is less performance than IO1. So like that, we need to choose specific one. I'm using GP2 for 25 G. Take any one of the zone. So in the cluster, pick the node first. So volume mounting should be that specific zone. What are the nodes available in that specific zone? Those nodes only, this volume is mounted. Those spots only, see here, cube, see here, get nodes, hyphen O wide. Mm. See here, both are not here. Here manager nodes is running on E, and one more is a B. What are the pods are creating in the specific zone only? The CBS available. So I'm choosing B. So no need any snapshot and all. This is the default key means KMS means key management service encryption. This is the default encryption for EBS. You can add tag name Nginx EBS US West 1B. Create. It's creating. It will take some time. So next one. This is the second one. Persistent volume only. Static clinic TV2. I'm asking only 10 GB. So remaining all are common steps. You need to add that specific 10 GB volume here. For that, you need to create one more volume. Here 25 GB is the Nginx EBS. I'm adding tag name, right? That tag name is going to be this name. Create one more EB. EB to 10 GB. B only. Name. Nginx EBS. US West 1B 10 GB. Mm. Which is volumes. Just I have created 10 GB. 1B, 1B, 25 also. This one. Both are available. If it is any one of the pod consuming this EBS volume, then it is going to showing state in use. EP2 tags. Yeah, it's one only. Name is okay. We have now added. Take the ID of 10 GB. Provide here. Twenty-five GB. Copy 25 GB now. Replace this one. Next claim EBS static clinic PVC. So it is asking 10 GB. Means it is finding volume type. So volume, I have 25 GB and one more is a 10 GB. So it is going to nearby this GB means it is asked, it is going to take 10 GB only. If you have 10 volumes, it is going to search for nearest value, not maximum value. Remember this. Next, this is the Nginx pod. EBS static volume mounts user share Nginx. This is the common HTML volume. So claim name should be same PVC name. So PVC name get changed. So need to update this one. This is the PVC name. Preview service. Nginx load balancer. Static. EBS static is a selector name. Pod name also same. Here check pod label also EBS static. Then only this service will get connected. We're going to access this from browser. Look, let's create. So this is the file system. So and external volume. So this is not relevant to this Kubernetes cluster. So we need drivers. If you want to mount this volume to this persistent volume resource, so we need EVS ESI driver. EVS. Yes. No. Okay. Go on search Google EVS CSA driver. These are the drivers. Find driver location. So I'm asking my Git permission. Confirm. Static provisioning. This is test PV or so they're asking volume ID. So you can do additional activity, but one more. Installing. Yes, this is the updated version. Click on this. Before deploying this all resources, we need to install drivers. So all drivers get installed. So now click kubectl. Cubes. This is the cluster managed namespace. EBS CSI controllers also created. 6 by 6 running, 6 by 6 EBS node. So successfully created and status is running. And second one, create definition file for storage class. So name is the EBSSC means plastic block store storage class name. You can give any name. So but this is a predefined domain provisioner. Type is a EBS. If it is EFS means it is good. It will get changed. So here volume binding mode. Wait for first consumer. So parameter type is a GP2. I have created two volumes GP2 type. Copy and deploy. So created. Now EC2 is a one API resource from AWS services and EBS is another API resource. So if you want to communicate one API resource and API resource, we need policies. That is nothing but roles. We need to create add that role to EC2. Or we can add directly manager nodes. Instances, click on this one, security, not security networking. Mm, yeah, click on this elastic node group. Click on node group, add permissions, attach policies, give administrator that is giving all resources access. But we need only EBS. So we need to attach these two policies. Here updated EBS driver policy. So these are the things added. If you want to restrict anything, you can remove. Next page, add so now you can provision this, you can deploy this all. Is there any indentation is missing or not? So here everything is okay. And volumes is a that's okay. Storage class is empty. Constant volume claim. So that claim name you need to provide here EBS static clinic PVC. Same. Okay. So I attach two volumes here. File type is ext4. You can find more relevant file systems. Remaining all okay. Check one, cross check. So don't confuse, I'm following as usual. The container level. So same, no issue at all. Done, everything is okay. Now that like you see here, like open up EVS clinic. So all are created successfully. So once first PVC, you PTL get PVC. So we have two PVCs. See here, this 10 GB bounded. It is available. Available means is empty. So this resource is no one is using. PVCTL get pods. So pod is creating something will problem with the pod creation. Take the Nginx describe PVCTL describe